Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin Focus on Characters, Phonograms. 我是 Maggie, 你好吗 If this is the first time to visit our channel, please subscribe. This is what we believe is the best way to learn Mandarin. Previously, we introduced the primary type of Chinese characters, pictograms, such as a person, 人, tree, 木, and mountain, 山. There are about 600 characters are pictograms. And the second type of Chinese characters, ideograms. For example, 从 contains two people, means follow or from. 众 contains three people, means crowds. Today, we are going to look at the third main type of Chinese characters, phonograms. We have learned this character, 木 is pictogram, means tree or wood. In this character, we have 木 on the right, and on the left is three-dot water radical. It also sounds 木. It means base. The type of character is phonogram because the right side, 木, only indicate the sound, and the left part, three-dot water, indicate the meaning, full of water. Now let's have a close look at the three-dot water radical. We call it 三点水. And this radical has no sound. It's derived from pictogram character 水 water. This character 林 is ideogram. It contains two trees, means woods. Now let's look at this character. It's 林 plus three-dot water. Now we can have a guess how to pronounce it. Yes, it is 淋. It means shower or drench. Now let's look at more examples. This character is 半, means half. It's kind of ideogram as well. In this character is 半 plus another radical. And now we can guess the sound. Yeah, it's 半. And it means companion, partner, or to accompany. Now let's have a close look at the left radical. We call it a single standing person radical. In Chinese, is 单人旁. It's derived from 人, people, or person. As a radical derived from a pictogram, and this radical has no sound. Now let's look at more examples. So this character, 中, middle, central, and medium or among, is also an ideogram. Now this character, we add another radical at the bottom. Guess the sound. Is also 忠, means loyal. In this character, there are two radicals. The top one, 忠, is for the sound. The bottom part is also a pictogram, heart, 心. It indicates the meaning, loyal. Let's have another example. This one, again, is 钟. It means clock. Now let's look at this radical. We call it a gold or metal radical, 金字旁. It derived from this character is also a pictogram. 金 means gold or metal. Now we can see that most pictograms are single-structured and very intuitive, and almost all those characters become a radical of other compound characters. The components of compound Chinese characters are called radicals. There are about 50 very common radicals, which means the pictograms and their variants. And with these 50 radicals, you can then build up thousands of the other type of characters, as we mentioned, ideograms and phonograms. Now we have a look at the three main types of Chinese characters: pictograms, the single-structured, intuitive, and primary type of Chinese characters. The second main type of Chinese characters are ideograms, and this is the most fascinating type of Chinese characters because it really shows the Chinese way of thinking, their lifestyle, their philosophy, and their likes and dislikes. Finally, we look at the phonograms, and about 50 to 60% of Chinese characters are phonograms. And this type of characters, you always have 50% of chance to get the sound correctly. Quiz time. 1. In Chinese character writing, each line is called? Yes, stroke. 2. The primary type of Chinese characters is? Yeah, pictograms. 3. What are the other two types of Chinese characters? Ideogram and phonograms. 4. The components of compound Chinese characters are called? Radicals. Yes, if you remember these concepts, it will be much easier for us to continue learning Chinese characters. Next, I'm going to introduce you the most common pictograms and their radicals, and then the most intriguing of ideograms and some very popular phonograms. As you know that the Chinese characters is also like puzzle blocks. If you know about 100 these radicals, and then you will easily build up the rest of the characters, you can also easily to predict its meanings. And some of the characters, of course, you will be able to pronounce it as well. That's all for today. If you want to continue to develop your writing and reading skills, my book, Writing Chinese Characters, now is available at eBay. And you can practice about 47 characters. Thank you for watching. 谢谢，再见. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe. See you next time.